Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sound. Now, if you wish to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations, click on Vibrate at the top in the middle. If you wish to enable ringtone, tap on Ring on the left. You can also click on one of those combinations: Ring only, Vibrate when ringing, or Vibrate then ring. Whatever you do, when you're ready, scroll down. Now tap on Switch to Silent Vibrate. And if you wish to set up vibrations by clicking on the Vibrate option. Then scroll down and click on those two switches next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and Start Vibration to enable or disable those two haptic options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!